Okay, this is lesson 2.6, which is simplifying and solving multi-step equations. And so we have this equation right here. This is an equation because it has an equal sign. So therefore we can solve for x and actually get like a value that makes this equal 91. However, equations are made up of two expressions. One expression is on the right side, and the other expression is on the left side. And so when it comes to solving for x, we actually need to simplify each expression before we start solving. So let's go ahead and simplify. The first step to solve this equation is to simplify the left side by combining like terms. The like terms are positive 12x and negative 4x. So positive 12 minus 4 is 8x. Haven't done anything with the 5, and it equals 91. Now that we've simplified, we can start solving by doing the inverse of subtraction and adding 5 to both sides. So we have a minus 5. To move it, we need to add 5. Rewrite the 8x because we haven't done anything with it yet, equals 96. We still need to isolate x, and so our last step is to divide both sides by 8 in order to isolate the variable. Divide by 8, divide by 8, x equals. You may not know how to do that, so let's do some long division. 96 divided by 8. 8 goes into 9 once. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract. And then 8 goes into 16 twice. So the answer is 12. X equals 12. So the solution is 12. And what does it mean to be a solution? That means this number is going to make this equation equal 91. So the value that makes the equation true. Okay. We're going to do a couple more examples together. I'm not going to do all of them. You can check the answers to these in the answer key. We'll do example 2 together. So this is an equation made up of two expressions. We need to first simplify each expression. So I'll simplify the left first. Negative 1 plus 8 is 7. Then simplify the other side. This is the distributive property, so I might go to the side and do some box method. 7x, negative 14. So this simplifies to 7x minus 14. Now that it's simplified, I need to isolate my variable. So I need to move the 14 and the 7 to the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and start with adding 14. 7 plus 14 is 21. I still need to isolate my x, so I'm going to go ahead and divide by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Don't get confused that it's 3 equals x. That's the same thing as x equals 3. Example number 3. Same idea. Draw your wall. We have two expressions. We need to simplify this one first. X over 3. Okay, it's just going to hang out there. No other x's. And then we need to combine these terms. 1 plus 7 is 8. We need to isolate x by first subtracting the constant from both sides. X divided by 3 equals 2. I still need to isolate x. This is x divided by 3, so I'm going to multiply by 3. X equals 6. Last one. Here we have two expressions. Do the left side first. I see negative x plus 15x. Negative 1x plus 15x is 14x. Minus 2 equals. Now 12x divided by 2x, if you remember from yesterday, this is 12 times x, and this is 2 times x. So we can actually separate this into 12 divided by 2 times x divided by x. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and x divided by x is 1. So 12x divided by 2x is 6. Now, to isolate the variable, I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Move the constant first. Lastly, this is 14 times x, so we divide by 14. And x equals 8 over 14, or if you wanted to reduce, divide by 2, and we get 4 over 7.